Okay, folks, this is going to be a little short, I think. So, I wanted to check the tires and make sure how much thread I had. And I've been using these guys. Now, I wrote good on them. I got two different kinds. I got a one made in Taiwan. And I don't know what, this is a certified. So I've been just checking my tires with, one of these and just taken for granted. Now, I do have a caliper, but you can't get the caliper in, you can turn the tire. But, I mean, I just took it for granted that these would be okay. And I've used them for those ones here. I mean, I've had them for a few years. So, today I figured I'd check the tires. I know the two back tires got to be replaced. So, and the front ones looks okay, right? So I was checking them with these ones, and they were coming out to, I forget what it was now, a 7 or something like that, 7 millimeter, whatever it was. Now I figured, it got lots of thread, but when I looked at the thread, it seemed to be, something seemed to be off. So I would check the two of these, and one was within a millimeter of each one, of the other. So I said, well, you know what? I'm going to come in and test it with my caliper. So I set this for 9 millimeters, locked it in, right? 9 millimeters. Then I would push this out, right? And then use the caliper, this end of the caliper, right? Let me show you, just in case. I know you guys are smarter than me, but I would pull this down to 9 millimeters and use this, right? So I would put that on the tip, right, of the gauge, and I would push down. Now this is locked, this would be locked in, right? And when the caliper would set here, set on top, and then the bottom, the caliper would rest where the thread of the tire would be. That would be 9. I would know that was 9 millimeters exactly. Well, it was 3.5 millimeters off. So I figured, okay, maybe that's the cheap one. So I just took this one, and same thing, was like 1 millimeter short of the other one. So I'm like, crap. So anyway, folks, just because you buy a good one of these, even a digital, I had a digital that was off, so I threw it away because I just checked it, a few years back, but threw it away. And I bought these, and I don't know why I trusted them, but a lot of people do, right? Anyway, it's a short video, just to mention that if you have one of these, no matter how expensive they are, you can get the dollar ones, but these were like $8, $8 or $9, so it's not cheap for depth gauge. If you have one, if you do have a caliper, check it first. But anyway, how I fixed that, as you see now, this is a piece of glass, and you push down, and it's pretty near 0. You can just see the line, right? Down to the glass, and 0. So now I have it fixed. So what I had to do, first I got on the grinder, and I grind down, come on, focus. I grind this down, not thinking, because it seemed sturdy enough. But I noticed when I would set it up, I would test it, and it would move. So it's the plastic that goes into the little rod here that's got give in it, right? And it moves back and forth, so it don't give you a reading the same every time. Even then, it didn't give 0. You couldn't give you 0 no matter what. So what I did was took the plastic out, put some good old JB Super Weld in the hole, And then it would be like this, right? So then I would just push it down until it was flat with the glass, because you're not going to get anything flatter than glass. And then I would tap it down, tap it down, tap it down until it came to the 0 mark, and then let it sit up. I did that for both. Son of a pumpkin. Anyway, folks, I hope you're having a good weekend now. Have a few beers, relax, and see you on the next one.